नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद, श्री अद्वैत गदाधर, श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा. Reminiscing the significance of Narsimha Jayanti. Narsimha Jayanti, victory of Narsimha, is a Hindu festival that is celebrated on the 14th day of the Hindu month of Vaishakh, April-May. Hindus regard this as the day the deity Vishnu assumed his fourth avatar in the form of a man-lion known as Narsimha to vanquish the oppressive Asur king Hiranyakashipu and protect his devotee Prahlad. The legend of Narsimha represents the victory of knowledge over ignorance and the protection offered by God to his devotees. In Hindu mythology, Hiranyakashipu was the first incarnation of Jaya, one of the two doorkeepers of Vishnu's abode of Vaikuntha. After being cursed by the four Kumaras along with his brother Vijay, he chose to be born as an enemy of Vishnu thrice rather than as a devotee of the deity 7 times. After the death of his brother Hiranyaksha at the hands of Varaha, the third avatar of Vishnu, Hiranyakashipu swore revenge. The king performed a severe penance to propitiate the creator deity Brahma until the latter appeared to grant him a boon. The Asur desired the inability to be slain neither inside his house nor outside, by day nor night, by any weapon, neither on the ground nor in the sky, by neither men nor beasts, Dev nor Asur, nor any being created by Brahma. He also asked for rulership of all living beings and the 3 worlds. His wish granted, Hiranyakashipu overran the 3 worlds with his invincibility and his forces, seizing the throne of Indra in Swarga and subjugating all beings except the 3 Murti under his rule. Hiranyakashipu's son Prahlad grew devoted to Vishnu due to spending his childhood at Narad's ashram. Angered that his son prayed to his sworn enemy, Hiranyakashipu attempted to indoctrinate him under various teachers including Shukra, but to no avail. The king determined that such a son must die. He employed poison, snakes, elephants, fire and warriors to slay Prahlad, but the boy was saved by praying to Vishnu on each attempt. When the royal priests attempted to indoctrinate the prince once more, he converted the other pupils to Vaishnavism. The priests created a Trishul trident to murder the boy, but it slew them instead, after which Prahlad restored them to life. Shambharasur and Vayu were tasked with killing him but failed. Finally, the Asur had his son tied to nooses of snakes and hurled into the ocean with mountains launched to crush him. Prahlad remained unscathed. Frustrated, Hiranyakashipu demanded to know where Vishnu resided, and Prahlad responded that he was omnipresent. He asked his son if Vishnu lived in a pillar of his chamber, and the latter affirmed in response. Furious, the king smashed the pillar with his mace, whence Narsimha, part man, part lion, appeared before him. The avatar dragged Hiranyakashipu to the doorway of the palace and ripped him apart with his claws, his form placed upon his lap during twilight, thus circumventing the boon granted to the Asur king. Narsimha was able to rescue his devotee Prahlad and restore order to the universe. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.